Welcome to my YouTube channel, Experience Financial Growth. In this YouTube channel, we share content on three key areas: productivity, marketing, and finance. As for now, our is crypto, and as time goes by, we are going to diversify the content of the channel. So, this video I'm making today, how to do a comprehensive research on a crypto project, a step-by-step guide for making informed investment decision is a project that actually somebody reached out to me and asked me a question how I could give them a framework in which they could use to do a research, their cryptocurrency research. I told the person, okay, I'm going to make a YouTube video about this, and I really think that many people who are in crypto will be interested to watch the video. So please, if you are watching this video now, ensure to watch to the end because there are a lot of things you are going to be picking out from this thing that you have never thought about it since you came to crypto. So excuse me. So let's get it started. Now, why is research crucial in crypto? The very first reason is that the crypto market is highly volatile and filled with opportunities as well as risks. Now, when I talk about and filled with opportunities as well as risks, you realize that there are people who make money from crypto and there are people who lost money from crypto. People project can get to rock pool, especially meme coin. You realize that 99% of meme coins are scams. So why should you be able to invest in? Why are you investing in crypto? If you're investing in crypto now, you should be able to understand the fundamental of every cryptocurrency you're involved in, the risk profile of all those cryptocurrencies. Another thing is thorough research is essential to make informed decisions and avoid scams. Like I mentioned earlier, 99% of all meme coins are scams. So the probability that out of 1,000 meme coins we are going to see a successful one is just 3%, right? So out of 1,000 coin, you can have just three projects that succeed in the area of meme because most meme projects are being created as to make to actually scam people. So when the project move on to a certain level, a certain number of percentages, the developer of the project will pull the project. That means they sell and they dump on the investor in the project. At the end of the day, few people make money, hundreds of thousands of people lost money in the process. So the last reason I'm actually stated here is proper research helps you identify promising project early and understand potential red flags. So this is our research framework. Our step one, we actually have research framework. So when the first step one is understanding the project fundamental. So you must understand the project fundamental. Fundamental has to do with news. Cryptocurrency actually is moved by news. In when you deal with financial market, there are three types of analysis. We have the fundamental analysis, we have the technical analysis, and we have the psychological analysis, right? Or what we call sensational analysis, right? Now, or sentimental analysis. Some people call it sentimental analysis. For fundamental has to do with news events. What are the news events surrounding that project? Does the project have upcoming news like listing exchanges, like partnering a different company, and so on? Those news events keep a project alive. The the next thing is technical analysis. Technical analysis analyzing the chart to be able to see the direction of the market, and sentimental analysis being able to see the behavior of people towards that project and towards crypto as a whole. Like right now, we are finding it hard to get new people into crypto because of the fact that the sentiment around crypto is not yet positive. When crypto start pumping high, a lot of people will be coming into crypto. That's what I mean by sentimental analysis. Now we have analyzing the team and advisors, assessing technology and product development, market position and competitor analysis, token economics and financial health. We have what we call community engagement and social presence, and they will identify potential risks. So those are the things we'll be covering here and how you can actually do in each and every one of these. Please don't think that you have actually seen this framework and think you are going to be able to do it yourself. If you don't watch this video to the end, there are a lot of things I'll be giving in details in this video that you will miss out. So stay to the end of this video. Now, the first place you should start is the project white paper. A white paper is simply it's a detailed document that outlines the project goals, the technology, the use case, and more. It's me just explain what the project is all about. And white paper in crypto is really losing its place as time goes by But I really think that you should take your time to read some white papers too, because at least give you some certain level of understanding of what the project is. And then the key things you should be looking at in your white in the white paper is the problem the project is solving. What is this problem statement? What are they? Is the issue that they're solving? The next question is the issue a real life issue? If they're not solving a real life problem, and then they don't have a use case, right? So is does the problem they are solving a real life problem? And the next thing is, what is the solution that they are offering? What are their solutions? What are the solutions is the project offering? The next thing is their token economics. How is their token how is a token role? How is it being distributed? After that, you have the roadmap and the use case. Now, um, when you evaluate a project, you actually will it helps you to get visibility of the project, the feasibility of the project, innovation it brings to the market. Now, let me use one of the projects I've been covering on this channel, which is Write. I'll be using Write as to be able to do a comprehensive research with Write. So we write. I want to look for the white paper. Most of the times, you can get the white paper of a project on their website. But if you cannot get it on their website, because not all websites are the same, you can join probably the Telegram group or the listening group or the Discord group and ask questions, ask the team question. So this right white paper, you can at the bottom of the website. I already opened it. So this is a white paper. It is 25 pages. So your question is trying to find out what they are trying to solve. So we have here um Hollywood. So right problem is Hollywood is broken. This is a Web3 project from an Emmy or nominated team rewriting the script and showing the future of Hollywood on blockchain. So their problem is Hollywood is broken and they want to democratize. Democratize means that give back power and ownership of content back to the people. So that's what Right is trying to solve by being able for people to be able to own the right over their content and be able to earn what they deserve. So you can go through and read all the nitty gritty about this. If I want to actually read all these things, then this video will be is going to take us too long. And then ecosystem. So look at this is the right ecosystem. Um, yep. So how is right? And this is what Right is offering from their app. We have the free version here, what you can have access to. You have the paid version, and we have this other one. So you can actually really take your time and see that revenue model that they are doing it. So this is their validation. They have a crowdfund, so streaming the revenue is streaming deal. They have a router vote cash distribution and AMA exit and so on. So those are some of the ways that they are actually talking about raising funds. Their project will generate funds. So this is what the explanation of Crypto Night. I've taken my time to explain Crypto Night, and this is the full explanation of what Crypto Night will do and what the team had initially when they started this project. And this is the information about private sales. So Rise sits well first of all so at 0.2 at 0.2 0.02 dollars or 2 cents, and the private sale was super at 3 cents, and public sale was so at 4 cents. Now you should understand that Ride was launched at the end of last bull run. So Ride went through the entire bear market, which means that the people who actually invested when it was immediately launched, actually they when it pumped it hit a new all-time high. It did not actually make profit because they were already in the bear market. So they actually when they launched it in late 2021, it actually went from 2021 2022 was the bear market. It has survived the entire bear market, and then we have moved to 2023, and now we are in 2024. So the price went. If you watch the last video I made, I told you that the all-time low of Right is 0.0017 dollars, or between $0.0017 to $0.0015, something of that sort. So that just let me just give you a heads up for what you are seeing there. So they are talking about here is talking about the utility of the project. What is how is a project and how is the token useful? You can actually see it then. And then this is the vesting schedule. The vesting schedule is shown by project to show that, okay, as we have actually launched this project, how are the tokens going to be distributed, right? Because not all tokens that the project has, the total supply, come into circulation at once. There need to be a schedule in which the total supply goes into circulation. So each month, how much of the token is being released. So I'm going to show you the next vesting date for Ride. But let's continue with this video. So this is March 2022. This is when the project was launched in 2022, and then we have 2023. We are in 2024. We are around August of 2024. So this is where we are. So the project has to it has still has a vesting schedule right up to March 2025, and you realize that they actually created the token in a way that they award moderators, team members, liquidity provider, treasury, marketing, staking, and community. So they actually people will be earning from staking reward. This is they make a provision for it. Public sale, private sale, and seat sale. So the roadmap of Ride, I already covered this some time earlier. This is the roadmap of Ride. So we are in cure 3 of 2024. So crypto night streaming. So we expect crypto night streaming to begin at for now. It will be launched on in Q4 of this year. But what will be done in Q3 is a filming, not the streaming. The streaming will be done in Q4 as reported by the team. Now the essence of you having the insight of this um having insight of this roadmap is to follow the team to know if the team are actually doing their work. If the team are not doing their work, and then it's actually a problem. I repeat, the whole essence of knowing the project roadmap is actually to know if the team are doing their work. If the team are not doing their work, it's a problem. So these are the team members of the right project. So it is very, very important that you understand and know the team. So let's continue where we ended. Now, the next thing you have to do after evaluating the white paper is to evaluate the team and the advisors. This is very, very important because the success of a crypto project largely depends on experience and credibility of its team. If they don't have experienced team and credible teams, it's an issue. Now, experience, which is you are looking at past roles, any the relevant things they have done in the industry, successful project that they have run. You're looking at their background, education, and their qualification, and then advisor, industry expert. For advisor, you're looking at industry expert providing guidance, and their investment often indicates project credibility. So if somebody is an advisor, he adds credibility. So these are things when you're evaluating the team, you're looking at their experience, you're looking at their background, you're looking at the advisor of the team, and then these are small things that you can actually use to do research on the team. Now, for most cryptocurrency projects, let me go at the top of the right stream. Where most cryptocurrency projects, when you come on the website and you click on About Us, they will most likely show you their team. So this is Raya's Meta. So we realize that you can use LinkedIn or Crunchbase. So for LinkedIn, I'm sure every one of us here is based with LinkedIn. So let me use Crunchbase. I want to search for Raya's Meta. Nope, it's supposed to be Raya's Meta. All right, there is him. So number of portfolio of companies one. Yeah, he's a CEO and founder of All Right. All Right is the parent company of Rise Stream, right? It is the main company of All Right Stream. So that's the information that he has. It's indicated that he has if this thing in this. So this is LinkedIn handle you can use here to go and find. You can find him on LinkedIn. Attended Macquarie University. So he's an individual and also an angel investor. So let's go back to the right and choose this person. Or the next person here is Damian Myers. So I come here, I put Damian Myers. This should be in here. Damian Myers, data researchers and come. This is Damian Myers here. So you click Damian Myers, look at him. This is him. Is the same photo here. You can see. So you have here, it is the primary organization is right stream. This is right stream because you can see here. This is the right stream website. So we have Damian Rice. You come below and you check more about him. So he works at three companies. They say Damian currently have three jobs. He works as the co-founder and CTO of Right, co-founder and CTO of All Right, and he also founded this company. You can look at the year that Right was founded in 2021. All Right was founded in March 2019, and he founded this company in 2015. So let's look at the other team member of the Right project. Let me come back here. Joseph Khan. So come back here and put Joseph Khan. Okay, we don't have him here. So I was just using this website to show you. Probably he doesn't have any issue about founding a company. So I wouldn't really. I don't. I've not seen it. Any of. Yeah, I've not seen him here, or I did not spell his name right. Okay, nothing about him has popped up. So at least I've used it to show you. I've used this site to show you how you can actually do research more about the team. And then now in their website or the project, they always often leave their LinkedIn handles. So you can, when you look at it, you can click here, it can take you directly to LinkedIn. I don't want to go on LinkedIn because I've not opened my LinkedIn account on this computer. So the next thing now, after you have checked the white paper, you have gone and checked the team. The next thing is assessing the technology and the product. The technology behind a project determines its scalability, security, and potential for success. So the area that you should be checking is the project using blockchain and which platform? Issue by Ethereum, Binance Matching, Tron. Two, what's the status of the project? Are they at their minimum viable product, beta testing, or they are already live? Is the project already an active project, active product? They already have an active product. This is very very important. And then is the innovation is the technology innovative or a mere replication of existing solution? If the technology is not innovative, then it's really going to be a big issue. Now, one of the things I want to show you right now is how do you analyze the contract of a project? How do you analyze the contract of a project? So let me come here and actually show you something. Um, BSC scan. If the project is on BSC, you can take BSC scan. Right? Let me open BSC scan and that to go show you another one. There is what called Ether scan for Ethereum based project. You use Ether scan for Ethereum based project. You use Tron scan for Tron based project. So this is the BS scan. This Ethereum scan. So this is Tron scan. Now, right is a BSC project. So let me come here and search for right and copy the contract address. What I'm showing you here is very very important when you're doing if you're actually a crypto investor. So you come down here, right? This is what we call the contract address. Here you can see a contract. Come here and click on copy address. So when I copy the address, I'll come and paste on this search button on this thing. Remember, if this is not a BSC token, I will not it will not show me any information. So if it's in an Ethereum token, go to Etherscan and scan the contract address. If it's a Tron token and other blockchain have their scan that you can use. So let me search. I've searched. Once I search, I want the right coin tracker. I want to get the right coin tracker. So I click on this right coin tracker here. So let it load and come. You see the last transaction that was done here was 1 hour ago. 1 hour ago. So this is it has loaded and it's coming. This is the right this thing. Now, what I want you to know is not actually this transaction that took place 1 hour ago, which was transferred from one wallet to another. This one ago, 1 hour ago again, which was probably a confirmation something. So let's use holders. Now, it is a problem if the top wallet in this project are having the most. I mean, like if one wallet is having more than 30% or probably 50%, it's really a big problem because they can easily rug pull the project. I repeat, it is a very big problem if the one of the wallet has large amount of coins, like 30 and above percent. I suspect the project. So the very first thing is that you have to come here and check. This is a contract, which means that this wallet was created upon the creation of the project, which means that it belongs to the team. This one is contract, it belongs to the team. This one is contract, it belongs to the team. This one is contract, belongs to the team. This one is contract, belongs to the team. This makes is an exchange, so it does not belong to the team. So that's liquidity. This one alert is liquidity on Max Exchange. So you can see liquidity on Max Exchange. We have to get.io. This one is an individual wallet. The person owns 2.9 2.9% of right. So you can see this is a contract which is owned by the team. This is a contract which is owned by the team, which is contract. So these ones that are not contract and that are owned by individuals. So let me just use this math, right? I want to take math. I want to random pick this math and I analyze it. So let's understand what I'm doing. So maybe you guys think, okay, this is Solana. It's a Solana based project. So let me go to Solana scan. So this is source scan. So let me paste the address and then I search. So I go to holders. So at least it's good. It only Max is the first, and then we have Random, which is also a decentralized exchange. They're the one top leading the top right. You can see 1.1, 1 point something percent, 1 point something percent. The rest are they don't have much. So the probability that this they are going to rock pool investors on this is low. So that's my opinion from looking at the number of the holders and the percentage hold. So when a wallet holds a large significant amount, it's simply an issue. So that's just what I wanted to show you. Let me close this windows and we continue with what we are recording. So the next thing is analyzing the market. Understanding the market helps gauge the potential demand for the project solution. So the key things you need to pay is the market size. If a project is saying they are in the entertainment space, like right, and which is Web3 entertainment, what is the market size? What is the market size of the of crypto entertainment space? The next question is, does the project address a significant problem in the market? So in the crypto space, the entertainment space is actually growing. As time goes by, people are actually coming into the entertainment space. So what Right is doing is something that is massive because they're actually really building what we call not just an entertainment project, and they are giving opportunities for people to invest in the movies that they make. So that's something that you actually really know to, because Right doesn't just film crypto pitches. Right also produces movies. So that's one thing that you should know about Right. They produce movies, and those who invest in those movies earn for when the movies are being sold. So we have who are the target, who are the potential users of the project. Excuse me. Market demand, is there a demand for the project solution? So you can actually really search about market analysis by looking at research industry report, competitor analysis, and market trend. Now, Binance Research, I think Binance Research. So you can Binance Research is one of the company that do a lot of research on crypto. So you can look at what Binance Research is. If Binance Research has written anything on the project, You can look at other competitive analysis, and for competitive analysis, um you can use coin get.io. You come here, come to get.io. This is compare coins. You can compare the two coins with each other. So those are some of the things that you can actually really do from there. So when you understand this thing now, the next thing is for you to evaluate the competitive landscape. Analyzing competitors helps you understand the project unique value proposition. So in the crypto entertainment space, we have right Web3 entertainment space, we have right, we have Sandbox, we have Variable, we have Hello. But the people who are actually really doing what right is doing is simply Hello and Variable. And the main competitor here is Hello. And I actually did a video on my YouTube channels some days back explaining giving a competent analysis between the Hello Las Vegas Rising, who would lead the Web3 entertainment space. So yeah, I really went use this video to do an in-depth analysis of Hello, so you can actually really see what they are building there. Now, the key thing you need to look at in the computer analysis: who is the direct competitor of the business, and who are the indirect competitor. And then now you can now compare their futures, right? Their comparison of their futures. We have their technology, the adoption. You can actually really check now their products and so on. So, and that where the tools you can use for this is to compare this is you can compare the project in terms of their market capital. You can compare in terms of their trading volume. You can compare in terms of adoption metrics. So this trading volume is very, very important. Like this matter has said, you can see the trading volume somewhere here. Trading volume is over $4 million in the last 24 hours. When a coin has a trading volume like that, it means the coin is active. So if when you are dealing with cryptocurrency, the trading volume, it matters a lot. The market capital matters a lot. And when I spoke about analyzing project market capital, I'm coming to it. You realize that all these things come together to give you a comprehensive guide on how to go about doing your research in crypto. I'm sorry that this video will take a long time, but at least I need to take this long time to give you an explicit explanation, so that when you sit and watch this video, by the time you go to do research, you take your time to do a thorough research, and by the time you find a good project and you that pass all your tests, and then you can now be able to say, yeah, I've done a research. So the next thing is understanding the token economics. The tokenomics, which is a short form of token economics, refers to the economic model of a cryptocurrency or token within the project. So when we come to token economy, we are looking at things like the total supply. Now, maximum number of coins token that will have ever be created, and then we have circulating supply, number of tokens currently in circulation, the number of token of this total supply that is currently in circulation that people can buy. Not every coin that they are, no, it's not every project that their total supply is all in circulation. Most cryptocurrency projects, their total supply is not the same as their circulating supply, because not all the total supply are yet in circulation. The next thing is the distribution. How are the token being distributed among the team, investors, and community? This is what I was showing you in this rise stream about the distributions of this of right. So you can realize that um it should be somewhere here. They will show that distribution of that token somewhere around this area. But by the way, I'm going to use, I can't see here, but I'm going to show you in the example I'm going to use. So don't bother. So what's the vesting schedule? Now, when project launch, you have to ask that vesting to do. Not every project you easily see those information. So sometimes you may have to reach out to the team members in their Telegram, Discord group, yeah, and then ask them about the vesting schedule, where you can look up your vesting schedule, because not every information about project are being known. And then what is the primary use of the token within the ecosystem? How is the token really being used? So analyzing how the token it will gain value over time, and its role in the project, yeah, its role in the project success. Now, I actually forgot this. I was supposed to show you this website that you can use to search for white papers of different cryptocurrency projects. So let me look at something like DexCheck. Now remember, not all Not all white papers are here. That one thing you should know. Not all white papers are here. So not all white papers are here. If the project don't have a white paper, then it's not a big deal. So but he has white paper for most projects. So this is Shido here. Let me search for it. This is Shido. So this is Shido white paper. You can read the white paper by clicking this. So realize, so you can see here it is, the website is whitepaper.io if you are interested to make use of the website. So let me go back to what I was doing. I'm done with this crunch with this website. I'm also done with this website. I'm done with write on this thing. So let me come here and search for write. So write stream, write stream. Yeah, you. Let me also go here on CoinGecko and search for it too. So right stream. So yeah, you. Now the reason I'm searching these two websites to show you something. You will soon see it. So this is right stream. You can see here the market capital here is 4,406,000. The trading volume is over 308,000, and then we have circulating supply is 292 million. We have maximum supply is, total supply is 1 billion, maximum supply is 1 billion. Total diluted total fully diluted supply is 15 million. Fully diluted is maximum, is total supply times this price. Why pre- why market capital is circulating supply times price. Now when project don't have maximum supply, it is a red flag, right? Why is it a red flag? It means that the project is inflationary in nature. The team can actually, and what we call, bring in new circulation. They can mint new token and send to circulation. So me, I don't invest in projects that don't have maximum supply, because if they don't have maximum supply, it means the team can create token and add in circulation. So do always verify if the project has maximum supply or not. Now, what I'm bringing you to this website to show you. Now you can always get information about the website of the project here. You can, okay, here they even release the white paper, and you can also this G-Hub is to check the developer progress. So this is also get CoinGecko. You can see the project website, and they even left their white paper. But as I said, not every project leaves white paper on here. And this is their on this research website, and this is their contract address. You can copy it for further research. This is a contract address here. You can also copy it. So you see where you can buy the project: PancakeSwap, Get.io, Mex, um, PancakeSwap. Right is on Big Panda right now. They are not listed Big Panda here. So you can also see where you can buy the project on this other site. Uh, okay, you have to click on market to see. So these are places where you can buy this, and you can buy the project on this website. So let me go back to my initial website, and then I show you what I'm actually want to show you. So now, not all project that the coin market cap actually analyze has this. So this information I found it very helpful. So we have right utility unlock. So when the project was created, the private sale was 1%. The team had 14% when it was created. Partnership was 6%. Community and staking was 15.9%. View to earn and marketing was 19%. So unlock 80% has been unlocked, and then um how many is yet to be this we have uh 190 million has been is currently locked. So we have here you can see here this is the vesting, this is not schedule of the project. So our next token unlock will be on August 23rd, right? It will be on August 23rd, which is tomorrow. So August 23rd, 24.39 million right will be sent into circulation, and this is the distribution. We have 1.88 for advisory. We have for advisors 5.8 for treasury team, 4 million for 1.4 million for community and staking. View to end marketing is that, and partnership. So you can see Then the next after that, so it's been after the 23 of every month is what come the vesting, the release of token into circulation for right. So you can see here, this is their vesting schedule, and that's what I wanted to show you. So these are some of exciting things that not every project will have this, please. So that's those are the things I just wanted to show you as before I proceed. Now the next thing is assessing the financial health and funding. A project's financial stability indicates its ability to execute its roadmap and sustain operations. I have been a victim. Let me show you this project that I once invested in, and it was a really an amazing project. Had a real life a solution, um, but they did not have project. They did not have funds to continue, so it crashed. So the team had to close down because they did not have project and funds. So you can see, um, this is a project Copiosa. Copiosa, the market capital now is doesn't even have a market capital. So you can see trading the trading volume here is $30. So you realize that um you realize that when the project when the team announced that they can no longer continue with the project, it collapsed. I mean, like I invested a lot on this in this project, and it's down 99%. So why is it important that you understand? You talk about funding. Funding helps you to know if the company, if the project has funds to be able to execute. If the project does not have funding, or they don't have marketing budget, I mean, like if they rely on selling, if they don't have marketing budget, and there's going to be a problem because they have to pay their staff. If they have to pay staffs, then where would they take money? So they need funding. So if they don't have funding, but the project has money, fine. So who investor is backing them? Who are the investors backing them? Do they have a strong track record? Those things are important. Now, as for right, I know you may be asking about right. As for right, if you actually watch the right actually launched an NFT and sold it and raised over $3 million, and they are using it for marketing. Right, I'm actually an investor in that NFT, so you should not think that I'm just telling stories. I bought the right NFT, and it gave me access to 20 tokens that will be launched on right Launchpad. So I have access to 20 tokens that will be launched on right Launchpad because I bought the NFT, and they generated money. That's how money came in. So if project, what are the revenue model? It does the project is a project generating has plan to generate revenue. If the project does not have plan to generate revenue, and the question is, how are they going to sustain themselves? Is the team transparent, right? How they allocate funds and how do they manage their Are they transparent with it? It is very, very important. Now you can look at financial transparency in the white paper. Now white paper sometimes lies. You can look at official website, public statement. You can even go to the extent of checking the contract address of the project, checking the activity of this, like those and those wallet I show you. You can go further and analyze the project. So please, excuse me. Let me. This is a comprehensive video, so let me take my time to show you what I'm saying. Okay. So please, I think that this video is getting longer than expected, but bear with me. So I want to compare. I want to analyze this wallet. So I'll go now to what we call Dex check. Dex check AI. I already did a video on desk check, so you can come to my YouTube channel and you will see it. This desk check AI. Here you are. So I want to use it to analyze the wallet of this project to show you how you can further do this thing. So come here to wallet analyzer. I want to use wallet analyzer. So I'll place the wallet here. Control, okay, and I click on search. So you realize that they have made no trade. They have made no trade, right? They have made no trade. So they have never touched this wallet since it was created. Since the contract address. But now let me show you another one. Let me copy another one. Let me copy that of Mex, and then I come and paste here. You see the difference. So it's loading. Let it come. Be patient. Don't hurry up. All right. This one also has nothing. Let me copy a wallet of, probably they are not disclosing this information because it is an exchange. Let me copy this one that is an individual. Yep, I see it. If it doesn't go, then I'll actually have to change this wallet analyzer. Maybe it's not giving me the best result I want. Okay, let's analyze. Because they're supposed normally supposed to show me when the token was born. So I'm thinking that this thing is not giving me the result I want. So let me use wallet analyzer and I see. Let me see. Okay, they gave me that one. Let me look for one. Please, this is a random website. Oh, I've never used this website before. So let me close it down. All right. Please, it's not giving me. So let's continue. The next thing is evaluating what we call evaluating community engagement. Now, cryptocurrency is driven by excuse me, cryptocurrency is driven by a strong and active community. The reason why meme coin make a lot of noise is because of community. Meme coin depends largely on community. So every crypto project, the community behind the project is so very important, fundamental in the success of the project. I repeat, the community behind a project is fundamental to the success of the project. It is it is very important that even exchanges take into consideration the community behind the project before they list those projects. So you can always check things like their Twitter page. So I always check tweet X page, X page of right. So you realize that I always check the X page of right each time I'm doing a video about right. So you realize this is it. We have this is the X page of right. So you can actually really take your time to what we call see go through the X page, and then you have what we call the Telegram group and their Discord group. Evaluate, see what they do. How do people interact? Do they allow people to talk? Are they negative? Are they positive? What are the type of comments? So all those things gives you a lot of feedback in the listen. You can also look at Reddit for discussion, check things. An active community engagement from the team is indicates a very good. If the team are always actively communicating with the community, it's something that's very very important. So please pay attention to those ones. And then another thing too is how can you ascend a public relation? Now, aside from just the fact that they have many followers on this, in how often do they post? So you have to look for project that they are active on social media. This post was made 11 hours ago, coming soon on your chain. So guide is going to base chain very soon. And then they actually retweeted this post from their crypto night. We have 12 hours ago. So you realize that that was yesterday. That was, I think, 2 days ago. You realize that they are active on social media. Another thing too is when you look at here, when you look here, they have 49K followers. How does that relate with their with their interaction? We have 26 retweets. We have 50 likes and reach is 600. Let's come to this other one. 400 450 this thing reach it has reached 406 1.6 people, 1,000 that, and then this one has reached 4,500 and people, 200 and something like. So it's not bad. I mean, the user engagement is great. The one is 12,000. So the user engagement is quite great in right for right. So you can actually really see that that was it. So those are some of the things that you compare. Because the reason why you do this comparison is because many cryptocurrency projects have what we call fake followers. It means that the followers can be bought. They pay people to come and follow their website, right? So and because if somebody pay me to follow something, I might not be active on that thing. So those are some of the things that you should actually really sit down and do an analysis yourself and see, because it's very, very important. It's your money. Then this last part of this thing is, how do you identify red flags? Identifying spotting red flags early can help you avoid scams and poorly mismanaged. Like I said, this project, it was not a scam as per se. It was a very great project, but I lost money from it because of the fact that I did not see the red flags. And one of the red flags is that they did not have funding. So any project promising you unrealistic gain, right, right, is a scam. Any project that any project that somebody is promising unrealistic gain is a scam. Now, I'm not saying somebody, I'm saying member of the team. So anybody can, like me, I'm very bullish on right, but it is not in the place of member of the team to begin to promise people unrealistic returns, or even to promise people return. It is very bad in cryptocurrency. It's not an acceptable behavior. That team member should be talking about the profitability of the project. So you should realize that a project that are promising unrealistic game, they are scam. And then there's no clear information about the team, the token distribution, and the roadmap. It's a question mark, right? You need to be able to have as many information about the team as possible. Team that go anonymous, I don't like them. So also look at information on the white paper. And if they're not on the white paper, check the website of the project. If they're not on the website of the project, check other research. Should use and get a coin market cap and coin gecko to actually check information about the project. Find out about the team. Avoid project that has anonymous team. Mostly the only project that are allowed to use anonymous team is memcoin, because the whole extent of meme coin is for joke. So that's why we have a lot of scams there. So if you please ensure that if teams you are not verifiable or using what we call pseudonyms, names of fictional characters, I please avoid them. Avoid them. Because if when the team is doxed, it means that the team is verifiable. You can trust that project, because if anything goes wrong with the project, they can hold the team accountable. Let's look at Luna, the founder of Terra Luna, that many people lost money in. You realize that he has been arrested and sent to jail, right? He was arrested and sent to jail. If nobody knew him, if nobody knew him, where would he be? Nobody would have caught him. So you realize that this is this is his name, uh, Dong Kwon and Daniel Shing. All of them. For Don Kwon, I know that he was sent to jail for the scam, right? He actually faced a case where he got arrested, and they have not yet sentenced him, but he got arrested by the United States um is it the FBI? Forgotten, but he got arrested and they took him to USA, and he is actually going to be answering charges related to this stuff. So that's why I'm saying that if they did not know, if he is if he didn't, if they could not verify him from the project website, if he did not show his face, nobody will ever know what's wrong, and he will never pay for the crime that he committed, because people lost their life saving from terror. So I'm sure that some of you watching this video may have made money and lost money from Terra. So avoid teams and projects that have anonymous team. Me, I prefer to invest in projects that I can know their team. I can check information about them. I can verify them very well. And the last part of this is the risk management. For proper risk management is essential to to protect your investment in this volatile cryptocurrency market. Now, when you're talking about risk management, the very first thing you're talking about your entry, your exit, and how you manage your portfolio. Your entry, I think entry should not really matter if you're investing for long term, but entry, you should not buy project that have pumped 500%. Project that have pumped 300%, 400%. I don't advise you to buy them, because those are the problem is that the thing is that the issue is that I mean, like, when I mean by 500%, I mean 500% within the space of 2 days, within the space of one day. Why? Because they will likely use you as an exit liquidity. If the project has pumped 1000% within the space of 1 year, it's normal. But if it has pumped one, it is within the space of 1 2 days, it has gone up 100%. Wait for it to correct before you can buy. That's my entry advice for you. For exit, I think that you can actually have people have different exit strategy. Some people have a price target. Some people have what we call a return target. So those are some of the exit strategies I can have. But for my best advice is that you should also have your entry and your exit target, or your entry and your exit position, right? Strategy. And then next thing is to diversify your portfolio. Spread your investment across different cryptocurrency projects to mitigate risks. If you invest all in one project and the project fail, you lose all your money. So you can diversify your project. Like me personally, I've diversified my money in different projects. When I created this portfolio for this YouTube channel, this is a portfolio for the YouTube channel here. Um, you can see the market is totally down. It's 23% down since I created the portfolio. You can see that it is diversified, right? You realize that it is diversified. So I have about 1 2 3 4 5 6 projects on this diversified portfolio. So we'll see where how it's going, right? So the worst performer is this is Cirrus with 36% down. So the best performer is right with 10% up. So you can see that's my at least this is a diversified portfolio. I don't invest all in one project. I invest in many projects. That mean by spread your money across different projects. And then never invest where you cannot afford to lose. And as I said, never invest more you cannot afford to lose. Always keep an eye on the project progress. Always keep your eye on the project news and community sentiment. Every project that you invest in, follow them up always. Know what is happening. And information should not be about the project that you don't know. It is very, very important. And stay informed. Regularly update your knowledge. You have to regularly update your knowledge and research new developments in the project and the product. Right, the new development about them is that they are launching on Base network. So Base is network is a network of, that was created by Coinbase. Is backed by Coinbase. So that's something that I'm telling you right now, that you should really take your time and pay attention. You should pay attention to it that much. Pay more much attention. So consider setting stop loss order and having an exit, right? Now, stop loss order happen. You can do it. You can only use stop loss order mostly when you're dealing with centralized exchanges. So you can say, okay, I'm buying right now. I want to exit at $1. So you go and put your stop loss at $1 on Gate or Mex or wherever you can buy it. And once it reaches that entry, the trade closes. So those are some of the things that you can actually use. Now, stay vigilant and skeptical of projects that seem too good to be true. For example, you think that promise you or a 100% less than no time, 10,000% no no time. I'm not saying that projects are not going to make this, but please, if team members are promising you this thing, be skeptical. Patience, and you need patience and thorough research. Thorough research and patience are key to finding valuable long-term projects. Another thing too is that you need to also understand that cryptocurrency is long term, not short term. So if you are investing in a project that you're thinking that you invest today, and in the space of 1 month, 2 months, you should be able to make the jackpot, and then you may end up disappointing yourself. And then please avoid FOMO. FOMO is a short form of fear of missing out. So you can actually always stick on your research framework, especially the one I have provided for you, and your investment strategy, rather than listening to people who tell you that this one is going to the moon, this one is going to the sky, the other one is going to the sun. That's their business. The crypto space is filled with lot of opportunities, but also risks as well. By conducting comprehensive research, you can navigate the market more safely and effectively. As I said, 99 of memcoins are scams, and all of over 20,000 cryptocurrencies that we have existing, less than 5,000 of them, or less than then 3,000 of them have real life utility. So you need to really find out which one has real life utility, and then you invest in them. So don't forget to like and comment and share my video with your network. Like, comment, share this video with your network so this is my channel here. So like, share. At least I've done you a service today, giving you a very long video explaining how you can do your project comprehensively. And then thank you for watching. We really appreciate your support. Look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay informed, stay safe, stay blessed. Happy investing. God bless you.